Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Brushing cleanses the face. Parameter setting. Recommended time, 3 minutes. Recommended energy level, 1. Press the switch on the handle to start. Apply facial foam to the face. Brush in circular motions from the chin upward, covering the entire face. Cleanse the face with water, then apply toner. Vacuum, enhance cleansing effectiveness. Based on individual tolerance, set the vacuum intensity using the vacuum and spray knob. During operation, cover the mini hole on the handle with your finger to prevent loss of suction. Press the treatment head onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Repeat until the entire targeted area is covered. This applies to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severely blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be necessary. Prepare the spray bottle with a mixture of toner and serum in a 10:1 ratio. Spray, hydrating and moisturizing. Spray upward from the chin. Repeat on the other side. Spray towards the hairline on the forehead. Pointed ultrasonic for eye area. Parameter setting. Recommended time, 10 minutes. Press the probe button and choose the pointed probe. Recommended mode, default mode. Recommended energy level, 3. Apply eye essence to the eye area. Lift from the lower eyelid to the eye corner. Lift from the lower eyelid to the temple. Move in small circles from the lower eyelid to the temple. Lift from the eyebrow to the hairline. Flat ultrasonic for facial area. Parameter setting. Recommended time, 10 minutes. Press the probe button and choose the flat probe. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended mode, default mode. Apply serum to the facial area. Move in circular motions from the chin upward. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline. Repeat on the other side. During operation, the recipient should hold the metal rod wrapped with a damp cotton pad. Galvanic roller. Recommended time, 10 minutes. Recommended mode, negative ion. Recommended energy level, 3. Apply serum to the facial area. Lift from the chin with the treatment head. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline. Repeat on the other side. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Galvanic ball. Recommended time, 10 minutes. Recommended mode, negative ion. Recommended energy level, 3. During operation, the recipient should hold the metal rod wrapped with a damp cotton pad. Apply serum to the facial area. Move in circular motions from the chin upward. Repeat on the other side. Move in circular motions from the forehead towards the hairline. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. High frequency, parameter setting. Recommended energy level, 1. Touch the acne area 3 times with the treatment tip. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. Remove spot removal. Parameter setting. Recommended energy level, 3. Sterilize the spot area with alcohol. Gently touch the treated spot with the treatment tip. Gently wipe the spot using a swab. Sterilize the treated area again with alcohol.